Okay. Okay. Um, Making another one of these videos. I got the cardboard here again. It's not very well positioned, but whatever. I tried to do this quickly. Have absolutely nothing to talk about, but making the video anyway. Today I scavenged quite a few parts from some bikes that we were gonna throw out. So yeah. Ugh. So like, oh, it's lagging again. It always does that. For some reason, it didn't do that on the first one. It only does that. It only started do that after the first one, and now it's doing it all the time. I do not know why, but whatever. I can't change it. But yeah. Again. This is worse than last time because now it's like last time I had something to talk about, but I didn't go all the way through the video. But now it's like I just don't have anything. But yeah, I couldn't scavenge all the parts off the bikes. Although they're just at the end of the road, I could go over there with some tools and scavenge more parts off of them. But yeah. Hey, fly just landed on my nose. But yeah. Again, if you see anything like go past the screen like this, I don't know if you could see that, but it's a fly. But yeah. I don't even know if those bikes still worked, but whatever, we couldn't keep them all anyway, even if they did work. Anyway, if like the bikes that we looked at before, those work. At least one of them worked fine. The other is like it like skips a little, but I already said that in another video. The other one, I have no clue why it was thrown out. Like, why would you throw a bike that's in almost perfect shape? Just a little bit of rust on the, like, in the wheel hub. Like, that's nothing. It still worked fine. Yeah, the brakes were a little worn, but, like, that happens on all bikes. Oh well. At least we've got a new bike. Man, we're only at 4 minutes and I'm struggling to get through this. Anyway. But yeah, what is it? Just a second, let me focus. Hopefully at some point I will get something better to cover the window, because like it still kind of washes my picture out. The light that gets around the cardboard is brighter on the camera than it would otherwise be. But yeah.
My camera, my
But yeah. The anyway. I have nothing to talk about, but I'm trying to get the video to be 10 minutes long. This happens every single time. I just don't have anything to talk about. That's why I want to make another gaming video. But I can't do that without the proper computer to record it. And I don't want to have to keep using Dad's computer. Because, yeah. When I did that Surviv.io video, I had a little problem with the audio. His audio jack is kind of messed up, so I plugged my headsets in. The sound came out through the speakers anyway. I had to wiggle it a little bit to actually, like, I had to wiggle it in the correct position for it to not do that. Yeah. That was kind of annoying. It didn't do that with the Strong Crusader video. I don't know why. Like, yeah. Those computers are weird. The other, like, the Windows 7 Dell that I've got, the one that I used to use, there's a fly there. The one that I used to use for recording, that one also has an audio jack problem. But it's not as bad as the problem that Dad's computer's audio jack has. The Windows 10 one, the one that I used to record besides my dad's computer when I finally decided to get the password, that doesn't have an audio jack problem yet. It will, believe me. It's like those computers are prone to that. Bad quality audio jack. Bad quality computer, honestly. But yeah, at least they function. That's about all I can say about them. They don't do much else. The other computers I've got are better quality in that regard, but I can't use them for recording because they're older computers. Or like my notebook, it's not powerful enough to record. But yeah. I think I had one other time when I had an audio jack problem, and it was with no, because the audio jack on my tablet, the plastic around it actually cracked and pieces broke off of it, but it still worked fine. Like, if I look at that tablet again, I see that and I'm, how did that still work? Because, like, the plastic around it is literally broken. It's kind of funny. But, yeah. I think I had a ThinkPad that started to get it to form an audio jack problem, but I think it was just because the audio jack was dirty. But, yeah. I don't know why I got on the subject of audio jacks, but, you know, got me through most of this video. Now I've got to think of something else to say for the next few seconds. These flies are irritating. They all they all deserve to get killed. Come here. I missed that one. But these little flies, see, they're so bothersome. You can probably hear their buzzes, like bzz, bzz, by the camera. I realized that on some of the videos I've done, you can actually hear the flies buzz by the microphone, and it's irritating. Like, I should like, yeah. And they just evacuate right away. Like, you have very little chance of killing them. Anyway, I'm gonna end this video here. Hope you liked it. Subscribe, please. Goodbye.